In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the font in Mozilla Firefox, which is super useful if you want better readability or just prefer a different font style. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open your Firefox and make sure you are connected to the internet and hover to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, which is going to be your menu button. I want you to click the settings and go to the general. In the General tab, hover down below where you can see the font, which is going to be right here. If in case you can't find the font, you can simply use the search bar here, type in font, and you will be forwarded exactly in the fonts section. As you can see, the default font right now is Times New Roman, and if you wanted to choose a different fonts, you can choose from any of the following. It's a lot, right? My favorite is going to be Cooper. Okay, so you can choose from different font size from 16 until 64 or 72. It's up to you. And for the advanced, you see that you can use from different style. Georgian, Greek, and Hebrew, Japanese, it's up to you. But for now, we're going to leave it as it is. For the proportion, if you wanted to have more control, you can use a sans serif or serif, or a default Arial or monospace. It's up to you. And as you can see, you have multiple options at the bottom. You also have the option if you want to allow pages to choose their own fonts instead of your own selections above, or just check the box if you want it and click the OK. It's super simple. Another option that you can do is hover down again below to the extensions and themes. Here you can type in font because we have so much selection that we can choose from. For example, we can choose the font changer or theme font and size changer and click the add to Firefox. All right. As you can see, these are going to be their required permissions, allow extension to run in their private windows if you wanted. And basically that's it on how to change the font in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.